Natural skincare, a gentle approach. We all crave that radiant, even-toned complexion, don't we? But sometimes pesky dark spots decide to make an appearance. Before you reach for harsh chemicals, let's explore the gentle power of natural remedies. Nature holds a treasure trove of ingredients that can work wonders for our skin. These ingredients often work in harmony with our skin, promoting a healthy and balanced complexion without the harsh side effects. So, if you're looking to fade away those dark spots and achieve a brighter, more luminous glow, natural remedies might be your perfect match. Natural ingredients are like a love letter to your skin. They're packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and skin-loving nutrients. These potent ingredients work their magic by gently exfoliating the skin, reducing melanin production, and promoting cell renewal. The result? A more even skin tone, reduced appearance of dark spots, and a healthy, radiant glow that shines from within. Remember, good things take time, so be patient and consistent with your natural skincare routine. Unveiling the powerhouse, your DIY dark spot corrector. Let's dive into the star ingredients of our DIY dark spot corrector and uncover the science behind their magic. First up, we have the mighty lemon juice. This citrus wonder is a natural bleaching agent thanks to its high citric acid content. It gently exfoliates the skin, fading dark spots and revealing brighter skin underneath. Next, we have the soothing and nourishing yogurt. Packed with lactic acid, yogurt works as a gentle exfoliant, sloughing away dead skin cells and promoting cell renewal. This helps to fade dark spots and improve overall skin texture, leaving you with a smooth and radiant complexion. And finally, we have honey, nature's liquid gold. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, keeping your skin hydrated and supple. It also boasts antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, soothing any irritation and reducing redness. Together, these ingredients create a powerful synergy that effectively targets dark spots, brightens the skin, and promotes a healthy, even-toned complexion. Remember, consistency is key. Crafting your skin-brightening concoction. Now let's gather our ingredients and whip up this simple yet effective DIY dark spot corrector. You'll need 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Combine these ingredients in a small bowl and mix well until you achieve a smooth and consistent paste. That's it! Your natural dark spot corrector is ready to work its magic. Before applying to your entire face, it's crucial to do a patch test. Apply a small amount of the mixture to an inconspicuous area of your skin, like the inside of your elbow. Wait for 24 hours to observe any reactions. If there's no irritation, you're good to go. Section 4. Your step-by-step guide to fading dark spots. Now that you have your DIY dark spot corrector ready, let's walk through the application process step by step. First, cleanse. Start with a clean canvas. Gently cleanse your face with a mild cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities. Second, apply. Using clean fingertips or a cotton pad, apply a thin layer of the dark spot corrector to the affected areas of your skin. Third, massage. Gently massage the mixture into your skin using circular motions for a minute or two. This helps the ingredients penetrate deeper into the skin. Fourth, leave on. Allow the mask to work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes. You can relax and put your feet up. You deserve it. Fifth, rinse. After the time is up, rinse off the mask thoroughly with lukewarm water. Sixth, moisturize. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to fading dark spots. Aim to use this DIY mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Section 5. Consistency is key your path to radiant skin. As with any skincare routine, consistency is key to achieving visible results. Incorporate this DIY dark spot corrector into your weekly routine, and you'll start noticing a brighter, more even-toned complexion over time. But remember, good things take time, so be patient and persistent with your applications. In addition to using this DIY mask, it's essential to protect your skin from further sun damage. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days, to prevent the formation of new dark spots and keep your skin looking its best. Embrace the power of natural ingredients and give your skin the love it deserves. With consistent use and proper sun protection, you'll be well on your way to achieving a radiant, even-toned complexion that glows from within. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a destination, so enjoy the process and celebrate the progress you make along the way.